Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is an unboxing of an indie deck. I don't stock it, but I will give you the details of the author and the website where you can purchase a copy if you would like to. It's called the Wild Woodland Oracle deck. It's 50 oracle cards, and they are written and illustrated by Sarah Reilly. Now, she sent me something a little while ago actually, and I saw the artwork and I was like, I really do love this. Hence why I have said that I would show you it. Right, okay, so be guided on your path with words of kindness and wisdom from the magical world of the woodland, nature and beyond. Introducing this beautifully illustrated oracle deck, each card offers you insight and support daily, ideal for curious seekers looking for inspiration or for making deeper connections and spiritual guidance. So it's lovecountry.co.uk, that's Sarah's website. Now she's also provided it with a book, so you can take your card and then read the meaning. And it operates as a standard oracle deck. She's got a 4-card spread in here for you. A tree spread. It's really such a lovely little deck, and this is a very comprehensive book. Okay. Yes, Sarah. Okay, and she does watercolours as well. Actually, she sent me some information on what she's saying in it. So, yeah, so she basically is a watercolour artist and storyteller, and for nearly 10 years, she's been creating greeting cards and gifts, and you'll see they're mainly on her website. The oracle cards are in, I think, a tab across the top. Grew very naturally out of that, so she's always turned to the countryside for inspiration, comfort, and guidance. And this is her very first oracle deck. She says, I'm just trying to read, sorry. Each card in the deck began as a watercolour painting, inspired by the creatures and quiet magic of the woodland and my imagination. I wanted them to feel like gentle companions, each one with its own story and message to share. My hope is that when people use the cards, they feel the same sense of peace, connection and enchantment that I feel when I step beneath the trees. For me, it's about creating something that blends art, story and spirit, a way to bring the wisdom of the woodland into everyday life. So that's the reason and the purpose behind them. So they are, it's actually quite thick card for each of the cards. So good quality card stock. Okay, and then you've got each of them in the same. The backs of them have got these lovely, it's like a silver foil reflection. Okay, so let's have a look at them. There's my messages for robins, because there are so many of us, aren't there, that believe that these are messengers from our departed ones. Stillness and surrender, because you do need to surrender, don't you, to the, I think she's carefully chosen each of them relative to the energy of the card. Oh, and you do have to be determined, don't you, to be a little bee. So that's a bumblebee. I absolutely loved these when I looked through them. Look at the artwork. And that's the card that's on the box. Your intuition. So she's used the intuition message as the back of the card for all of them. Badger. I always say this. I shouldn't probably share this, but I do. So I went up to Scotland a little while ago, and I was looking for Highland cows everywhere, and I developed this. I don't know why. I have no idea why. But I kept saying, "Ooh, it's a Highland coo," and I don't know why. And just a silliness, really. And every now and again I get so excited because I just really love them. They're so beautiful. A friend of mine loves cows. And so now whenever I see them, I go, "Oh, it's a Highland coo." You didn't need to know that, did you? I guess it makes me more human. Oh, look. The bluebells. I see there's a theme of the robins coming through, isn't there? So connected to spirit. I don't know if that was intentional or not. We'll pull a card at the end, and I can't even imagine how long they took her to paint. And as I said, she teaches watercolour painting, so many skills. Oh, look. I love them. A little field mouse. I'm not sure, I was just thinking then that obviously quite a few of you are overseas, so I'm not quite sure. I'm sure that Sarah must send overseas as well. Oh, look at these. This is the time of the year now, as we move into October, where we see so many of these as on the side of the road, because obviously it's the hunting season over here, which I obviously don't condone, because I am an animal and bird lover. Oh, look, Grace. Okay, so let me know what you think in the comments. There's a good chance that Sarah will see the video, so you may be able to ask her some questions and she may answer. Right, okay, so I'm not going to... Am I going to shuffle? I'm going to try and shuffle. Yeah, let's just do an overhand quickly. I mean, it's obviously not a thorough. And I'll just show how it works. Every single day you'd wake up in the morning, give them a good little shuffle. If you want to do a daily, of course. What have we got for today? We have 2 cards, have we? Yes. There we go. Goddess. Isn't that lovely? We're doing that when you've got me reading them and Sarah who created them. Okay, 25. So let's say you've pulled this, or we have. If you stand very still in a deep forest under the trees, you can feel her presence. There is an energy in the air. She is the goddess, the ancient spirit of the forest. When you find your path blocked with obstacles and you're tiring in your efforts, this can be very challenging. This card reminds you that magic is all around you, unseen, gently guiding and protected you with immense kindness. You may be given messages or signs, so keep an eye out as they may not be obvious. Spending time outdoors is a wonderful way to feel the power of Mother Nature. Take a walk and enjoy the simple beauty. Breathe deeply and enjoy the sun and wind on your face. Draw strength from this energy around you and release any worries for the day. Give your mind a break from having to have all the answers. So that's the card for you from Sarah and I, Spirit of the Forest. The reflection, sometimes you just need to relax and be guided. Take time to access your divine inner goddess. Okay, so as I said, I don't have these on the store, but if you, well, not at the moment, but if you would like a deck, then the details are in the description, so you can go straight to her website. But it is essentially lovecountryuk.co.uk. Okay, I hope that you've enjoyed those. I think they're lovely, stunning little deck. Okay, and thanks very much for your time. Bye bye.